Let me show the testing operation of 500 watt shortwave amplifier with the MOSFET transistors SD2933 inside and a TFT touchscreen. The LPF bands can be changed manually or in automatic mode when external band decoder is being used. A single voltage power supply is needed. As for me, I'm using Flatpak 2, which gives me 53.7 volts. I will drive it with the ISO transceiver, but the transceiver output is connected to amplifier through a 6 decibel attenuator. It is made to decrease the ALC spike effect which exists in every 100 watts analog transceiver being operated at low power level. This amplifier is made for 20 watts on input. This is a couple of dummy loads. The small one is 25 ohms and the big one is 50 ohms. Well, internal power meter is calibrated according to BIRD, which has a slug for 2500 watts on shortwave bands, 2.5 kilowatt full scale. .500 watts on BIRD, and same is here on the amplifier. But as I told you, this one is made for 20 watts, so 80 watts on transceiver output through 6 decibel attenuator will get exactly 20 watts on amplifier input, and I will show how it works starting from 160 meters. Now I will show how CW looks like. This is beyond 20. All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 1, 2, 3. Okay. Our next step is a protection system. I will return to packet model on the central frequency of short wave bands, 20 meters. Now I will replace the 50 ohms dummy by 25 ohms. Then I will decrease the driving power approximately 2 times down. As you see, the amplifier is capable to operate with the quite high SWR, as high as 2 to 1. But if I raise it up above the 10 watts, high SWR protection is enabled. To reset it, I have to switch off the amplifier for 5 to 10 seconds. Meanwhile, I will return the 50 ohms dummy and normal 80 watts from transceiver to show that everything is okay. If I overdrive the amplifier, say 95 or even 100 watts, which is 25 watts on amplifier's input, high power protection is enabled on 20 meters. On other bands, high current protection could be even faster. Okay, I switch it off, return the normal 80 watts, and show that everything is okay. Amplifier is working. Well, that's all for this amplifier.